Yep. So what we are discussing last class, guys? Last class we completed predefined functional interfaces. There are 43 predefined functional interfaces. In that, what are the main base functional interfaces? Predicate, function, consumer, supplier. You can tell any order. No need to worry about the order. This order only should remember. Okay. Right. Next, binary, by function, by predicate, by function, by consumer, boolean, supplier. Okay. Next, unary operator, binary operator. And then next, int, long, double, data type based functional interfaces. Okay. Now, Karunavati, I am asking questions now. Why you are seeing screen? Okay, guys. Quickly, let us try to understand the programming part of functional interface which you have learned. Some more points I want you to understand. Tell me, yesterday we have understood consumer. Okay. Now this is a consumer. We have developed consumer with integer, consumer with double, consumer with string, right? And consumer we can implement with method reference also. We tried yesterday, and we tried with primitive value, double and string. Also we tried with array. Now I want you to understand supplier. What the meaning of supplier? Supplier will not take any input. It returns the output. What is the what type of output you want to return? That you have to take integer. I want to return one integer value from my method. I want to create a method to return a value. What I have to take? Supplier. Okay. I want to return a double value from my method. I should take what? Supplier double. I want to return a string. I have to use what? Supplier. I want to return one array object from my method. That what method I have to take? Supplier method I have to take. Okay. Consume method, what is doing? Accepting value and consuming. What is the name of the method? Accept. Whereas supplier is accepting a returning. When it is returning, we have to understand from what point of view? The caller point of view. So supplier is returning value to the caller. Caller is returning a getting. So that's why the supplier method name is what? Get. Supplier method name is get. Now look at here. Now when I'm creating supplier program, supplier is returning the value. The return value I want to get. Okay. When you create method, lambda expression is what? A method. When you create method, is it automatically executed? No. We have to call. For calling purpose, I need one method. The method name is get. S1.get. Then tell me the flow of execution. First control will go to What happened here? S1 dot get, when you call, control will go to S1 pointing get method, S1 pointing get method, and returns what value? 5. This 5 is stored in the result, and we have written logic to print the result. Okay, control 1. Look at their last output, what will you get? 5. What the output coming? Okay, so let me comment consumer. Yeah, purpose, no, purpose. No, you cannot say like this, Vinod. Function is having taking and returning. Consumer has, so consumer or supply has limited functionality. You cannot say that. That is the purpose. See, tiffin is having limited feature, only idli. Afternoon lunch is having full meals. Not like that. Morning you can eat only tiffin idli. That's all. Okay. 4 o'clock only snacks. Just two samosa, one chai. It's not good. Lunch is better. Should not say that. Depending on the situation. That's all, no? Okay. So supplier will only return the value. So control 1 compile and now return the value. Control 1 compile successfully. Control 2 executed. What value coming? 5. Now everyone tell me the execution flow of. I have created one more lambda expression that returning 6.7. If you want to return lambda expression 6.7, now that respect to functional interface support must be there now. Which functional interface allows us to return value? Supplier. So I taken supplier with auto type double because I want return double. Okay, next tell me. Now here, what is the flow of execution? S2 dot get. S2 pointing get method. This is a get method. So there is no name now. Name is implicitly added by compiler. We already learned. Then now 6.7 returning. 6.7 come to here and stored in the result. So simply this is a method creation. This is a method calling. And you should imagine that you must visualize that get method name is available internally added by compiler. And then what is the output you will get here? Return value 6.7 will come. Control 1, control 2. 6.7. Okay. Now everyone tell me here what happened. Now I want return string. Okay. If you want to return, you want to create a lambda function to return a string. I need a functional interface which will allow me to return. That is a supplier. What type of value you want return? String type value. So take in string type. And return string to calling place. S3 dot get string is returned, stored in the variable. I am printing that variable value. Okay, HK. If you write these programs at home once by your own, then it is easy for you to remember. For remembering purpose, you have to try at home once. Look at here. I want to write a lambda to return a array object. Is it allowed or not? Yes. Then what I should do? Take the supplier with int array. Then now when you call this S4 dot get, why boolean is supplier? Where boolean in supplier, man? Kanha Nayak, you are deviated from current discussion to something else. Is current discussion don't want to go? Is current topic you know already what I am explaining? If you know already this topic, then I will deviate from here. You are something else, boolean in supplier. You are saying sorry. I didn't say sorry. All you people tell me, can supplier return boolean value? Oh, sorry, let me complete this. And now what is written? Array object. Tell me, to receive that array object, I should require the array variable or not? I call the get method, get S4 dot get method, return the array object. I take an array here. Now my question is, everyone tell me, after array object received, I want to display the values available in the array. I have 4 different ways available. Number one, directly read the value by using index, or use a for with index, or use for with each for each loop, or you can use what? Predefined class arrays.toString, or you can use a stream API. Also, you can use a stream API. Okay. And now, what I am trying to use now? I am trying to use arrays.toString with a shortcut. So whatever the array object is written from this lambda function, that is stored in my local variable, and I'm printing. Control 1. Compile it. Okay, and execute. We got the array values coming. Can you write the code for adding all values and print result on console? Yes. For loop we can write here and write. Is it clear, Nana? So consumer, pass the value, write the logic to consume the value. Pass the value, write the logic to consume. Next, supplier. Supplier is means what? Return the value, store that return value in our local variable and use. So you are a supplier. There is a one shop. To the shop you want to supply. Then you are called, you are a supplier. Okay. And you are the customer. What customer is doing? Customer taking the values from taking the item from the shop and consuming. Are you following? A shop has two people. Number one, suppliers are there and also consumers are there. Okay, now he is the owner. This is a shop. In the shop there is a owner. There is a owner. What this owner doing? Owner is getting the goods from outside people. Who are these outside people? Are called suppliers. Supplier is giving from the owner point of view. From the owner point of what he is doing, he is getting the items and placed in the shop. Understand? Then what this person who is returning the items called supplier. Then this owner is also having another person. What is that? Customer. What customer is going to shop and asking this person, Babu, I want some products. Customer is receiving the products. This person is giving the product to this customer. Customer taking those things to the home and then is consuming. Understood? So the best example to understand consumer and supplier is what? This one. Shop. Is everyone clear? Okay. Can you tell me a small example? I want to supply a Boolean value. Possible or not? True, false, I want return. Simple, just true, false, I want return. Then what I have to take generic type here? Boolean. Small b Boolean or capital B Boolean? Capital B. Small b Boolean primitive types are not allowed. Unexpected type. Okay. Wrapper class type you have to write. Following by this is S5. This is S5. Then here what I should write here? Boolean value. Which Boolean? Anything, true or false, your wish. Hard coding, true. Then this true value is going here. True value is returning to where? Calling place. Now the shop owner has ordered Boolean value. Then the shop owner has to get the Boolean value now. S5 dot. There is a supplier called S5 which will return what? Boolean values. Then one shop owner has ordered, get me one Boolean value. Then it return the Boolean value. Where I should store? In Boolean variable. Boolean result 5 equal to, then the retrieved value I am taking and printing. System.out.println. System.out.println. What do you write here? Result 5. Save it. Control 1. Compile. Control 2. Execute. Everyone understand? True is coming. Then after receiving, how you want to use that is up to you. You want to store here, you want to pass here, everything is up to you. First, you understand the syntax, how to write program. Application, don't expect immediately. Application will come automatically when I give the question. One scenario based question I will give you so that you can work. First, you have to understand the concept. After understanding concept, able to write the program, then we have to go for application. Immediately, if you're expecting application, so application oriented teachment, you cannot understand. You will get more confusion. Okay, now? Now tell me, I want you return true or false, not hard coded way based on the given value. I don't want you return integer array as many as values your wish. I want take the user, give me your input based on that I return value. So based on the given input, I want return value. Here in consumer, taking value, consumer. Supplier, returning the value, not like that. Okay, for example, you take the shop. You take the shop. Then this shop owner is ordering to the supplier how many items required. Na? He is ordering the supplier how many items to return. Then he will return those many items. But there are some people are there. For example, you take medical representatives. Medical representatives will go to hospital to the doctor. Whatever available medicine with them, they are giving demonstration to the doctor. Na? So who is this fellow? Supplier. Doctor is not asking anything. Just he's going on supplying what medicine he's having with him. Some sample medicines giving. Now, for example, olden days, if you take Geo is you are going to the Geo shop and asking for Geo SIM. No, it is only coming to your house and say supplying Geo SIM for free for 1 year. That means Geo is a what? Consumer or supplier? Supplier. Now you are a person going to the shop and giving your input. I want this particular. Then that person is supplying to you. You are giving input and taking output. In this scenario, which function interface I have to use? Function. Okay, nobody? Everyone understand? Then tell me how to implement function. Look, same thing. How many parameters I have to specify in the function? 2. Integer, string. What is integer? Input or output? Parameter type or return type? First one is parameter type. Second one is what? Return type. So the parameter I is of string, and in the method body you should write what? String. What I am doing here? I am just taking one integer and returning that integer with some string text. Just dummy logic I am writing it only for you to understand. Just for make you understand, I am writing dummy logic. Okay. What I have to return? One string I have to return. The given value only I am returning with some text message append. Next, string comma integer. I want to take string as a integer and I want to return integer. I want to take string as a input and I want to return integer as a output. What do you write now? Yes, here and the body section, what do you write? What? Int. What int? Based on the given string, I want to return the length. All the people tell me, I want to take a string as a input, boolean as a output. What I should write? Tell me. Here I should write what? Boolean. Boolean F3, a new function that taking string and return boolean yes arrow. I want to return boolean based on what is there inside. Okay, you want to find this is empty or not. Now I want to write s dot empty. Is empty na empty na? Is empty. Or you can call contains, or you can call equals, or you can call starts with, or you can call ends with. Am I right? Now tell me. So you have created a function. A function is taking input, return output. A function taking input, return output. A function taking input and return output. Then how can we implement this kind of lambda expression? By using function interface. By using function interface. Then how to call? Sir, if you wanted to execute this lambda expression, I need to know the name of the method or not? Now tell me mathematical terminology. I am giving you value, please accept. Consumer method is accept. I want you get me some value. Supplier method is what? Get. I want to give you a value, perform the mathematical operation, generate the result. Akshay Kumar, I think today you are first class. Lambda expression, return keyword not required. It is implicitly added by compiler. Now repeat again. I'm repeating again. Can you guess the method name? Can you guess the method name from my question? What is the method of the function? Function interface method name is what? What function is telling you give me value. I will apply one formula and generate the result and return. What is the name of the method? What function is saying? You give me your input. I will apply one formula, generate the result, return that result. So what the method name? Apply. Consumer method, accept. Supplier method, get. Function method, apply. So should I remember? Yes, remember. If you remember, clarity is there. If you don't remember, no clarity. Katham. Now I remember. You also remember. F1 dot apply. F1 parameter is what saying? Integer, int. Return type what you are saying? String, assigned variable. F1 dot apply 10. 10 I passed. Returns what? String. Let's see. Is it working or not? Yes. So compiled. Unexpected type boolean. Why? Oh, capital B I should. Compiled. Variable already there and change the variable name rs5. Okay, this is rs6, rs6, rs7, rs7. Control 1 compiled. Control 2, what is the output coming? Function test given value 10. Okay na? Okay na everyone? 10 is going as a argument and that argument is attached to the string. This entire string is returning back. So any newly joined student, lambda expression, if you don't know, I have already explained, recorded video there in the YouTube. Please try to go through once. Okay. End of the class I will share. Please wait. Tell me now. Now, second lambda, how to call? Second lambda also I should call by using apply method. By passing what? String. I am giving f2 dot apply of hk. hk is going and returns what? Length. What value coming? 2. Just 2 coming. Control 2. Control 1. Compile and control 2 executed. What is the output coming? 2. Samajh mein aaya? And next, tell me now. I want you teach me how to call this third function. Third function how to call? f3 dot apply of. I am giving okay hk again. What the return result? Boolean. I have to take boolean here. Small b boolean you can take, capital B not required. Auto unboxing will be applied internally. Result 8 and then here I am writing result 8. Below what will return? F3 dot apply of HK. HK will go here checking HK is empty, false. Then we'll get false. Compile, execute. False. Okay. Next. Now I'm calling one more time apply method, result 9, f3 dot apply of, I'm not giving anything, empty string. Then what result 9 you will get? False or true now? True you will get. Okay? Right? Why false coming? F3, string empty, is empty. Correct only na? Compiler, not compiled. Hey, why false coming here? True na? One minute, let me comment previous lines. It's confused. String, this is empty na? Empty string. Nothing is there inside. Okay. Maybe its message is, I have to go to command prompt seems to be. So there is a problem with control 1, control 2. because more messages are coming. Oh, these true false are different also. Achha, 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 achha. Sorry. I forgot to add the comment here. Okay. Down messages are coming different. Down code is executed. Control 1, control 2. Okay. What is the output coming? True. Now, I want you answer one important point. Tell me, if I give here like this, string handling chapter repetition. String handling chapter repetition. Now, I am giving space here. 1 or 2 spaces I given. Tell me, is empty method returns true or false? Is empty method returns true or false? Andar చెప్పాలి. Everyone should answer. There is no prizes, there is no punishments, right? If I give spaces, is empty method returns true or false? There is no prizes, there is no punishment. So everyone should participate and tell. So that your knowledge only improved. You will get false because space is also a character. Space is also a character, returns false. No sir, I don't want false sir. I even spaces are there. I want to say it is a empty string. What should I do in that case? In Java 11 version, we got a new method is blank. Okay, what I should use is blank. S dot is blank. If I write, then it will not consider spaces as a character. Semicolon missing. Now you'll get output what, buddy? True. Okay, now? Okay, so this is the string handling chapter revision also happened. So all people understand 3 functional interface implementation. Yesterday we by hearted all 43 and now we are implementing the most important functional interfaces. I'll give you scenario question now. You have to write the code. First, if you understand how to work with functional interface calling and executing, then when I give scenario question, you can write code easily. Together we will write. Now, can you tell me predicate? Predicate means what? First, you should understand the interface. Interface, predicate. What is the purpose of this predicate? Take the input, always returns what? Boolean value. Tell me, what is the method parameter here? Return type is Boolean. What is the method name, please? Can you guess what the method name? What predicate is doing? It is taking the input and what is doing? It is a testing, na? It is a testing the given value correct or not. Testing, right? If it is a correct, returns true, else returns false. Then what is the method name? Yeah, my guess is tester TT. This is what I am thinking. What is the method name? Test. Let's see now. Hey, correct. Method name is what? Test. Okay. So predicate. How to write now? Tell me. Predicate P1 equal to take the input, return Boolean value. Boolean value on what basis? Your wish. You can hard code and return, or you can do some test operation and do. That means inside this predicate body, I should use Boolean value generating operators or not? What is the Boolean value generating operators? Relational operators. Operators, remember? Relational operators. Next, equality operators. Next, logical operators. Okay, these are the 3 operators combination you have to use. Then Boolean value will be generated. Okay, now look at here. What I have used? I less than 0. You give me value, I will verify it is a negative or not. If it is a negative, returns true, else returns false. If it is a give me value, I'll verify it is even or not. If it is a mod by 2 divided by 2, remainder is 0, then it is even, returns true, else returns false. Then check once what happened now. Here I am giving test of -10, P1, 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 P1 I value is going where now? -10. -10 less than 0, true. This time I am not storing in the variable, directly calling as argument to SOPLN. So the return value directly printed, true, right? Then next, now I am passing 10 to whom now? P1. P1 I value 10, 10 less than 0, false. Okay, false. Next, now I am passing 10 to whom? P2. P2 I value what? 10. 10 mod 2, 0 equal to 0, true. Okay, now true. Next, now I am passing what now? P2 dot as 15. P2, I value 15. 15 mod 2 equal to 0, false. Then output is false. So can I expect everybody got clarity on uh, for functional interface working logic writing? Any confusion? If I give a question asking you, hello, I want a lambda expression to take input and print result. What I have to use? Consumer. I'm asking, okay, now write a lambda to return value from your function, your body. Okay, I have to use supplier. Okay, you take the given value, do the calculation, generate the result, return result to me. What I have to use? Function. Then I'm asking you, Arabai, you take my value, do some validation on that value, return boolean. Then what interface I have to use? Predicate. So if you remember the scenario, then given application you can implement. Am I right? So now I'll give you one scenario. Can you write the code now? Scenario based questions. Scenario based questions on predefined functional interfaces. This is the question number 1. Everyone take the question number 1, write logic. Once your program ready, let me know. I'll show my program. Again, I'm saying if you are not trying to work, if you are hesitating to work, if you are not ready to write code, you will fail in the interview. Interviewer will give scenario based questions and asking you, tell me output. Write program and tell me output. So please, everyone participate. Data science folks. Yeah, YouTube live students. So I'm also expecting you to give me the code for this question. In chat window, write your code. Is it right or wrong or doesn't matter. You trying is important. This 2 hours spending time means it should be useful for. I'm showing the question, this question. Develop a lambda expression to take an array of integers, add all those integers and return sum. In front of you only there. Why I should repeat? I don't understand. Akshay. Pushpalata, why you are saying true false? I'm asking you to write program for the question number 1. Line number 217. Develop a lambda expression to take an array of integers and add all those integers and return sum. Based on your interest of giving me program, I will decide to continue Stream API or stop. If I don't get good response, I'll stop. Workshop is not meant for learning, not for time passing. Come on, come on. Everyone, only few people give me answer. Many people are only watching here. In interview also, will you watch? Okay, I will write it. Let's see how many of your answer is matching to my answer. PJ, array dot stream dot reduce of 0 comma a comma b arrow a plus. PJ, did I ask you to use the stream API? I want you manual work. Okay, stream API also good, but manual work is. Everyone help me how to write code. First you write what? First you should understand here which functional interface I have to use. Lambda expression to create, I need a functional interface now. Okay. First I decided I need a functional interface. Okay, done. Then how many functional interface I have? 4. Among them, which one I have to use based on the requirement? Take an array of integers. Acha, input. Add all those integers and return value. Oh, return type. Okay. Parameter is there and return type is there. So what I have to use here? Function interface. That is the first thought should come. Function angular bracket. What is the input? Int array. Int array. Eh, int array, comma. What is the return type? Sum int equal to IA. Can I write IA as the int array name? Yes, arrow. What the logic I should write? Add sum of the integers. Acha. For if you want to add sum of integer, meaning is what? First plus second, result plus third, result plus four, result plus five, result plus six. Then I have to store the result somewhere now for next iterations. So I'm taking one variable int sum equal to 0. Wow, marvelous. Then for int I equal to 0, I less than ia dot length. Hope you know how to iterate array. I plus plus. At this stage, don't ask me to teach iteration or array iteration. Then what I write here? Sum equal to sum plus what? Ia of I, semicolon, close for loop, close it. Lambda body should start now. Close lambda body, semicolon. Excellent. Marvelous. This is the code I have asked you to write. Cross verify how many people's logic is same as my logic. Oh, I forgot to return. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I forgot to return the result. Right? I should return the result. After for loop, return sum. Then close body. Nice, nice, nice. You are come to a stage of correcting my mistakes also. Wow, super. Is this automatically executed or we have to call? We have to call. Int result equal to ia dot, what is the method name? Apply of new int of flower bracket 3 comma 4 comma 5, or else let me take small letters, cap, case sensitive, semicolon missed. Oh, so right. Int result equal to function name also missed here, f1. f1 dot apply of new int of flower bracket 3 comma 4 comma 5, flower bracket parenthesis semicolon. Then system dot out at println result. Okay. Yeah, added variable here f1. So finally you come to a stage of finding my mistake also. Wow, this is what learning style. Everyone? Confident? क्या करेंगे? బాలయ్య బాబు తొడగొట్టేంగే రండిరా చూసుకుందాం ఈ ప్రతాపం మా ప్రతాపం. This is the blunder logic, you are right. This is the wrong logic. Huh? Output is correct, but logic is wrong. What I asked, what you are developing? I am asking you to add the integers available in the array, but you are adding start with what? 0 plus. Is 0 adding this kucho? From where you are bringing this 0? This is the blunder you are doing in your colleges. ఇది తరతరాలుగా ఆనవాయితీగా వస్తున్న బ్లండర్ మిస్టేక్. We are asking to add 3 plus 4, result plus 5. This is what I asked. But what you have written code? 0 plus 3, result plus 4, result plus 5. This already got run. Who asked you? Sir, sir, no problem, na, sir. We got the same result now, sir. Result coming same because 0 plus anything is 0. Apply minus, wrong result will come. Apply into, 0 only will come. So learning in a wrong way is a wrong. And moreover, extra one iteration you are doing. Are you following my point? So don't write sum equal to 0. This is wrong. With which number you want to add? IA of 0. So what you write here? IA of 0. Regular students, in our previous chapters, we learn already this, right? I corrected your mistake. Next. Next. What I should write? 0 na here? 1 na? రాము ఈరోజు నేను ఈ కళ్ళు తెరిపించానా ఐ ఓపెనర్ సెషన్ టుడే సెషన్ ఓకే what I should write here? Not 0, 1 I should write. This is very silly point, but very, very important. In everyone teach addition. That's why I never find any mistake. I never settle with one case. If this case is working, I will try another case. If that is also working, I'll go for another case. Minimum 5 cases I will try, different 5 cases. In all 5 cases I got output, then I'll give, yes, this is a correct algorithm. I never satisfy with one case. For empty array, it will give exception. So you are write if condition there. If array dot length greater than 0, then only this logic. Else we should write else block, throwing exception. Okay, na? Hope you all understand my intention of giving this small program. In this small program, a lot of important point is there. Okay. Now let's see now my code, what I have written here. I'm taking int array, integer. Can I take int here? No. Don't forget, generic always should be reference type. Sum function equal to IA arrow int sum equal to I of 0. For int I equal to 0, I less than IA dot length, sum plus equal to. Can I write plus equal to? Yes, shortcut, compound assignment operator. And never forget to give semicolon. Then I am calling sum function dot add of new int of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, let me take 3 numbers correctly. 3, 4, 5. Save it. And I'm commenting this. Control 1. Control 2. Now what is coming? 12. Correct na? 3 plus 4. 7 plus 5. 12. Now, if I write here minus, suppose subtraction I am doing. Will you get a correct result or not? 3 minus 4, minus 1, minus 1, minus 5, minus 6. Coming up. For example, if I take here sum equal to 0, people who didn't understand, try. Sum equal to 0, what will get? Minus 12 will get. Minus 0, minus 1. For each will not work there, Ramu. Minus 12 is a wrong result. Okay. For each only for working on each element individually. You want combined all or work, then for each will not work. Then what I should, if I take here into, finally get only 0. So this logic is wrong. What I should write here? First element you take, then plus already checked, minus already checked, into you check. 3 into 4, 12 into 5, 60 here. Okay. And now, but this program will throw exception. This is sum 1, sum 2. Why exception will come? If I pass empty array, I of 0 doesn't have any element, na? Then it will throw exception. Testing phase will be then, Ramu. Without proper testing, it will not be deliver project to out. Look at there what you're getting. Array index out of bounds exception. So to overcome this exception, what I write? Here I should write if condition, like regular methods. Lambda expression is regular method, simple. You don't think too much about lambda expression. What you write in regular method, same thing you are writing. But advantage is what? I can write directly, I can pass directly. If ia dot length less equal to 0. What do you write? I less than I dot length equal to 0. Open bracket, closed bracket. System dot out dot println of generally, okay, double quotes. Generally, as per Java, we have to throw exception. No? Return 0 means 0 is a number. No, we should throw exception, right? Throw new illegal argument exception with error message. What do you write? Array cannot be empty. Array cannot be empty. Compile, execute. Look at there, I got exception. Illegal argument exception. Array cannot be empty. Oh, okay, sir. Anyways, I am throwing exception, sir. Let me avoid this. Let array index out of bounds exception come. And the user programmer will catch it. If you want to give meaningful message, you throw your own exception. Okay. No, sir, I want to throw default exception and leave it. Okay. So case number 1, everyone understand? Everyone got clarity on this line? Why I have written I of 0? YouTube live students? Did you learn something new today? Can we use the try catch also? Yeah, you can use try catch. For catching the written exception, you can use try catch. Okay, now second question, please try. Only second question. Pushpalata, what is the confusion? Tell me, I will help you. Can you unmute and ask so that we can quickly answer? Yeah, I gave permission to unmute yourself. Hello, are you speaking, Pushpalata? Okay, you are not unmuting. Chalo. Everyone write on this code. Having network issue. Shall we try again? Everyone, please try second question. Everyone got an idea which functional interface you must use here? Excellent, super, marvelous, predicate. అది ఈ పాయింట్స్ మైండ్లో రిజిస్టర్ అయితే స్ట్రీమ్ అయిపోయి తోడగొట్టేయడమే. స్ట్రీమ్ అయిపోయి అసలు నథింగ్. People are struggling to understand Stream API only because they are not having command on which functional interface I have to choose. You have to choose predicate here because input is okay. Input is anything, but output is what? Boolean. Well, Boolean return functional interface is predicate. And that's all. Super. What the question I'm given? Check at least one even number. That means here you have to search for even number. Binary search algorithm, linear search algorithm, data structures, searching algorithms. Linear searching algorithm we have to apply to find the number is even or odd. That means linear searching means what? Take the first number, verify. If not, move to the next number, retrieve, verify. If not, retrieve the next number, move. Like that, you should keep on move to the next number, next number, next number. If even find anywhere, return true. If not found anywhere, after for loop, return false. Everyone completed? PJ, wrong. IA is what? Array na, on array, how can I apply percentage to? You have to retrieve value from the array first. Now tell me, here can we use for each loop? Yes. We can take for each loop here. Now, is this covered? Now, I'll show my code. Please check your code, my code, same or not. How much is matched? This is the code I have written. Okay, let me change it to for each loop? How do I change to for each loop? Int value. Actually, this is a regular for loop. Let me leave both, or else let me write fully. Let me write fully. Predicate. You want to find what? Even predicate. Take the array and now write logic. What do you write? For int I equal to 0, old style. Int I equal to 0, I less than ia dot length I plus plus. What is the meaning of linear searching algorithm? Start from 0 to end of the loop. Take first object, take second object, take third object, like that. Take the first value. How to take first value? Int value equal to ia of I. Then put if condition. What I'm saying, is it even? How to write? Value mod 2 equal to 0. Yes. Then directly return. Hello. If not true, should I write else block false? To this if block, should I write false? No. If I write else block first value only compared and return value. Do you understand my point? IA value is what? 5. 5 is not even. If I write else block here, directly will get false. Remaining numbers not compared. In linear searching algorithm, you should not write return false in the for after for loop. Means if it is a not even, proceed with the next number. Take the next number and then compare. Not even, proceed with the next number, compare, like that. Tell me now. Here for this for loop, how many iterations executed? After for loop, I am writing return false. For this array object, how many for loops are iterated? Only 2. 5 not even, 6 even. Even means directly return. Correct? This for loop, how many iterations executed? 3, because all numbers are not even. 3 not even, loop iterated. 4 not even, 7 not even, loop iterated. 7 not even, loop iterated. Plus false, then going out, return false. Okay, now this is linear searching algorithm. Retrieve the each object, compare. Second object, compare. Third object, compare. Fourth object, compare. Algorithms are easy. Only you have to use your brain. Now, can I convert it into enhanced for loop? Yes. Remove this everything and place what? This is. Delete this one also. Extra syntax all hatada. And what you write here? Int value colon ia. People who know enhanced for loop, you can understand. Anyways, enhanced for loop also I will teach. There are some rules and guidelines you have to follow. That is the next topic. Tomorrow topic. That is a tomorrow topic. Predicate by default return boolean only, na Akash? You no need to specify. Predicate by default return. Boolean. Not optional. You should not write here. Okay. Predicate by default return true only. My boolean only. You don't need to write. Can you tell how many ways we can retrieve? That is tomorrow class, Nagavardhan. Not tomorrow, Saturday class. How many ways we can retrieve the objects from the collection? There are 7 ways are there. From the map, 7 ways. From the collection object, 8 ways there. From the map, 5 ways there. All I will teach on Saturday. If time not permits, Monday. 11 o'clock I am free. If you are also free, we will spend time for any question, any topic discussion. So until new batch is formed, I'll take the classes for you. Interested people can happily continue. No, sir, all these things I want. Okay. That's up to you. Okay. Everyone understand the predicate? Next week I'll come with a bang new topic. Now everyone DSA చెప్పమంటారా? Okay. Tell me. This one I want right. Everyone try. Everyone try this question. Develop a lambda expression to return 5 student objects. Let's see how many people know object-oriented programming. Up to now, we are understanding only mathematics, logical programming. Functional programming is logical and loops also logical. Now this is with object-oriented programming. Question number 3. It takes minimum 5 to 10 minutes to complete, right? Let's see how many people implement object-oriented programming fully. Do you understand which functional interface you have to use? Wonderful. Supplier. No input, only returning. Supplier. Excellent. Okay. Completed? Okay, I'll wait. Kalyani, after taking student objects, what are you doing? Just losing that. Harsha, what you written, man? The question what I have asked you didn't develop. You are adding string objects. Supplier has only one generic type. Why you took two generic types, object comma object? Supplier has only one type. Why confusion? I didn't understand. Why you are worrying? Clear question. Develop a lambda expression to return what? Student. Supplier generic type is what? Student. What is student? Do you know? Object oriented programming. Student is a class. From the class you have to create 5 objects. How to return 5 objects from single method? Using array or using collection. 2 options. Vinod Rajput. Wow. You've shown your frameworks knowledge, tools knowledge. What the name of the tool? I forgot. Dhananjay Singh. This entire code written by you alone or any ChatGPT helper? Lombok API, correct. That's what the mistake you are doing. In the interview room, who will help you? In interview room, who will help you? ChatGPT will help you. As a student, in the assignment part, if you are taking ChatGPT help, you are doing mistake. You are not giving a chance to your brain to think. Already sufficient knowledge you have. Simple question I have asked. ChatGPT not required here. Okay, done. Shall I proceed the program? This is what I have written. You can use array or you can use array list, your wish. Student supplier equal to following by student array you can take. Or you can take what here? This is one approach. 2 approaches I'll show you. So that array wise you can understand, collection wise also you can understand. Return array of how many students I want? 5 students. Core Java student, Oracle student, HTML student, Advanced Java student, Python student. Is this syntax understand? Creating anonymous array. I am taking this as student array. Student array supplier. Student array supplier. Okay, now I need a student class. Where is my student class? Okay, let me show you what I have written. Class student, SNO, SName, course fee, 3 fields, private fields. You can take any other fields, your wish. I am good at these four fields usage. You can take age, height, weight, gender, anything else. Then I want to create one no param constructor and parameterized constructor. Then setter method, getter method, setter method, getter method, setter method, getter method. Okay, then toString method for printing the object information. Student of SNO, SName, course fee. This is object-oriented program. Okay, you should practice both mathematics-based programs and object-based programs also. Mathematics-based programs are easy to understand. Once you get concept to your brain, then choose object-oriented program also. Then now I created student object stored in the array 0 location. Second object stored in 1 location. Third object in 2 location. Fourth object in 3rd location. Fifth object in 4th location. Directly I can pass. No need to create separate variables and assign. Okay. Then next what I have to do? I wanted to retrieve the, okay, I have written this. Okay. Once I written, I have to get this array out of the supplier now. And then I have to call student array supplier dot get. Then get method, return that students array. Then how to retrieve each student and print? By using for each loop. Save, run, control 1. Control 1, control 2. Right. Control 2. Look at that. All objects are coming now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to practice, sir. If you don't practice, you cannot write code. You want to become developer. To become developer, you have only one option. क्या है? Practice करना पड़ता है. There are two things are there. Number one, feeling that I understood. Number two, getting experienced. The biggest mistake all students are doing, they are listening the class and leaving feeling that, oh, understood, mama. You understood, okay, but reproduce. Can you reproduce? Can you reply? When I ask questions, can you answer? When I give scenario question, can you develop the code? That is important. Here I am returning what? Supplier. Now I don't want return object as array. I want return object as what? Collection. Then what do you write? List of student. List of students. List. Students list. Students list equal to new array list. Some of you have taken as list. Some of you have taken as list. If you take as list wise, list dot arrays dot as list method if you call, or list dot off method if you call, you cannot modify that collection. That is a immutable collection. If you want to make immutable collection only for retrieving, you can use arrays dot as list or list dot off method. But I want mutable collection. Then create array list object by using new keyword. Then call list students list dot students list dot what do you write now here? Add of new student of. So when I'm practicing, my habit is maximum code, every point I'll cover so that I will not miss anything. All options I will cover. Okay, what are the possible options are there? All options I will cover. So that interviewer ask me whichever the option, I am ready to write. If interviewer say, can you write any other way? Yeah, I can write. Any another one more way? Yes, I can write. Any another way? No, no other ways. So because we know now how many ways we can write. So that's why every point you have to practice. Okay, this my what is ready now? Array list with the students ready. Now I have to return this array list. This is not required. Return students list. खत्म. एक मिनट रुको. This is student list supplier. What I should write here? You are returning array na list. List. Is it list? List of student. List of student. Should write two angular brackets. Supplier angular bracket and list angular bracket and close angular bracket. Everyone understand the syntax? What I have written? Easy, very easy. Again, I'm saying only thing one time you have to try at home. I will share this document today. Yesterday I didn't share intentionally. Today I will share this document. I am giving material free, content free. Utilize this opportunity. Pratap Kumar, yes, you can use record also. Utilize this opportunity. Don't miss. Okay. Student array students equal to I am taking what students list now. Variable I am taking student list. Now same code. There is no for loop change. Save it and go to here and removing. Let me take print. Control 1. Wait, don't leave. Class not completed. Or semicolon. Don't leave. Class not completed. We have one more case. More 15 minutes required. We completed only 3 functional interface. One more functional interface is there. I have to add import statement. In place of import statement, let me write directly. Java dot util dot. This side also Java dot util. Gotcha. Many places confusion. Go. Beginning of the class. Beginning of the class. Beginning of the class. Here add import util dot list. Import util dot list. Okay. Then control 1. Compile successfully. Control 2. That. Okay, now students, all students are come. Previous and this. So which way you want, that way you have to explain. So can I expect everyone understand this? How to work with supplier with array, supplier with object oriented programming with array with for each loop, supplier with object oriented programming with collection with for each loop. Okay, one last question completed. Develop a lambda expression to print sum of the fee paid by those returned 5 student objects. Develop a lambda expression. Hello, Adiksha. What I said, develop a lambda expression. I don't want you write the code directly. Via lambda expression, I want you to write. Develop a lambda expression to print sum of the fee paid by those returned students. Come on, come on. Just one line code, complete it. That means supplier return the value, consume the value, and then supplier return value I want to consume. Supplier return value I want to consume. Consumer. Function. Sai. Consumer. Bhai. Develop a lambda expression to print some of the field. Print. I am asking print. Print means what? Return or consuming. Then consumer I have to use. Then where those 5 students replied return by the supplier na? Only people look at here. So I have the students in the list which is written here. I am printing here. Instead of printing what I am asking, consume and find the total fees paid by the students. That means I have to write like this. Dekho. I have to write this array. I am choosing array. You can choose array or list whatever. The students I am passing. Okay, the student array I am passing here. I got the student array, that student array I am passing here. Okay, this collection related we will see later, or else confusion. Okay, that will be there. And then now double total fee equal to 0. I don't know how much fee now. No. What I write here? Total fee 0 na? Or first student fee na? First student fee. Right? And what I should give here? 0. And then start with what? 1. Then first student plus, second student plus, third student plus, like that. If student array doesn't contain any students, then throw the array. Okay, and each student you retrieve and get the fee. Understood? Easy na? This is the story I want you to understand. Student array of 0. Further. Okay, parameter name. Okay, 1 second. Okay, 1 second, sir. I did small mistake. This should be students only. One second. Yeah. Small confusion. That should be students only. Now, consumer parameter is student array. And then retrieving the first student. Retrieving the first student. 0 dot get fee. Okay. Taking the first fees. And then remaining fees are added and printed total fee. This is what lambda creation I want to execute. Then consumer dot accept of I should pass the student array which I have already above. Then control 1, compile successful. What I have written here, 1, na? Control 1, compile, and then execute. What the total fees? 17,500. The total fees collected 325, 527, 7 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. Okay, clear? Will you all work on this? Can you write the consumer for collection array? If this is written by collection, how can I develop consumer array? Can you develop that by your own? Rewrite above program with collection as an argument. That you tell. And here I have given you methods with functional interfaces as a parameters. So this one we will understand with what you call stream API. With this, we completed predefined functional interfaces theory, number of functional interfaces, and also practicals. With a mathematical approach, array approach, string approach, our own user-defined class object approach, every possible options I have explained. So it's the time you should practice. Okay? Just there a practice. Will you enjoy tomorrow class? You are calling student.get method, Namai. You are having collection what student object contain get fee returning directly as a value. Now where is object point here? You are not using raw collections, you are using generic collections. So in generic collection you are specifying the type, so typecasting not required. Any students who are in WebEx, you can join the Google Classroom for material. Please wait, I will share the material. Yeah, take this one. Join to the Google Classroom for material. Pawan Pratap, I shared. Old one, Akash Patel. What is old one? Yeah, I have updated material already. So please access material and practice fully. Ramu, go to Naresh IT YouTube channel. Okay, Naresh IT YouTube channel. Go to the live section. You will find the video. Yeah, old classroom also there. Why I remove old classroom? Yeah. Thank you guys. See you all tomorrow, 11:30. Tomorrow we are entering into Tiger's Zone Stream API. Thank you.